Hello guys, welcome my channel. Today I will introduce how to affiliate Fiverr.com. Let's start.
No matter who your target audience is, Fiverr has services that fit their needs. Why not make money out of it? Drive traffic to Fiverr and earn up to $100 for each buyer with Fiverr affiliates. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace of talented online freelancers who pride themselves on getting things done for businesses. On time, on budget. Designers, developers, writers, everything entrepreneurs and small business owners need. With over 3 million different services offered, anyone can become a Fiverr affiliate by promoting on different platforms. SEO, Facebook, Instagram, emails, podcasts. Have a blog about starting a business and want to refer your traffic to logo designers? Have a Facebook group about tech and your audience needs WordPress services? Get customized tracking links. Place them anywhere. Blog, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram. Refer traffic to any Fiverr page that best suits your audience. For example, specific category, Fiverr Pro services, or search results. Fiverr buyers who click on your links will automatically be signed into your account, and money will be sent directly to your PayPal or bank account. As a Fiverr affiliate, you'll enjoy a variety of ready-to-use marketing materials, on-time payments, customer support, and real-time performance tracking, allowing you to maximize the number of visitors you convert to buyers. Over 10,000 affiliates joined in the past year. Now it's your turn. Join now and start promoting the fastest-growing freelance marketplace in the world.
If you want to create Fiverr affiliate account, please follow my video description. Thank you for watching my video.